In this tutorial, I'll show you how to place a video inside of the text in Premiere Pro, so let's get to it. I've already set up a sequence with some video on a timeline. Once you set up your video, select the type tool or press T as a shortcut, click somewhere in the program monitor, and start typing. I'll do text in all caps. For the font, I'll use Montserrat Black. Now I'll increase the scale of the text so it covers a big portion of the screen and a lot of video can fit in it, something like 600. Then I'll align the text using the align tools, so something like that. Then I will select the selection tool, and on the timeline, make sure that the text has the same length as your video or multiple videos that you want to apply to. So I'm going to bring this to the start and stretch it out. After that, I'll open Effects window and search for Track Matte Key Effect. And we're going to apply this effect to the video layer that we have. Now, it's important to understand that on the timeline, we have multiple video tracks. So in this case, our video, the main footage is at video 1 track, this one, and the text is at video 2 track right above it. So make sure that the order for you is the same, otherwise it will not work. So now head over to the Effect Controls panel. And for the Track Matte key, here we have the drop down for matte, so open that. And we have a couple of options here. So we need to select the track where the text is located. So in this case, it's video 2 for me. So I'm going to select the video 2. And as I do that, immediately the video is placed inside of the text and will only be played in the boundaries of the text. Now, once you do that, we're going to create a rather interesting animation. So I'm going to move the time indicator to the start. Then I'll select the text layer, head over to the Effect Controls, and here we'll find the scale. I'm going to increase the scale until like nothing is showing through. So go really, really high like that until you don't see anything. Then create a keyframe for scale. Then move forward like 3 or 4 seconds. I'll do 4 seconds. Then I'm going to click the reset button, reset parameter. That'll bring the scale back to 100. And now if we preview this from the beginning, we will have a rather interesting effect. As you can see, the text starts out very big and we can see a lot of the video. And then the text slowly goes back to its original size, and the video inside it keeps playing on. It doesn't really like get affected or distorted by the effect. And if you want to make the animation even smoother, come back to the Effect Controls panel, and here are the 2 keyframes that we created. We're going to drag and select them both, so they're both highlighted. Right-click any of them, ease in, then right-click again, ease out. And now, if we preview this again, the whole animation should be a lot smoother because it starts out slow and then it sort of speeds up, and closer to the end it slows down. And that's how you place videos inside of the text or any shape layers of your choice in Premiere Pro. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one. Peace out.